Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday with Paige. Today we'll be making our own masks. To make our masks, we'll need two different kinds of fabric. One to be the front face of our mask, the other to be the back face of our mask. Some elastic, a ruler or some measuring tape, some pins. We'll need a water-soluble mark-out pencil, and a pair of fabric scissors. And of course a sewing machine, but we'll bring the sewing machine in later. The pattern I personally use for making masks is a 6x9. So I'm going to use my ruler. Usually I recommend doing 6.5 inches, but I've noticed the masks I'm making lately that they kind of sag here on the side. So I'm going to do 6 inches of elastic. So again, you're going to have the front face of your mask. You're going to have that facing up. We're going to put an elastic in each corner. And we're going to take the back of our mask. We're going to take the correct side and place it down. And then pin that into place. Same for the bottom. You're going to make sure elastic is not twisting over itself. Alright, so to begin, once your sewing machine is all set up, we're going to start with third seam allowance. We're going to do our initial stitches, and you're going to do it along the top. We're going to leave about 1 inch open. We're going to back stitch to close it. And then you're going to turn your mask right side out. We're going to make sure our elastic is sewn properly. So I like to pull them and just test them. And we're going to leave this open and we'll blanket stitch it closed by hand. Now we're going to fold our mask down twice. We have this accordion look. And here's what a completed mask will look like once you've stitched the sides together with the folds and you've put a slip stitch or blanket stitch in the top. Your mask is ready to be worn.